How to activate Google Assistant without touching a phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is just launch your Google services over here. As you tap on Google, make sure that you're logged into your account and then tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. So tap on your profile and then tap on settings at the bottom of the screen. Now here you can see different settings applications. So just scroll and here you can see the option of Google Assistant. Tap on Google Assistant. And as you do that, here you can see the option of Hey Google and Voice Match. So tap on it. And as you do that, you can see the option of Hey Google. So just toggle on this option, and as you toggle in this option, the things you'll be able to use your voice and you do not have to touch your phone in order to activate the Google Assistant. All you have to say is Hey Google. So tap on I agree and then tap on more, and I'll be able to activate the Google Assistant without touching the phone. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.